Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, and we should be live now. Okay, so first of all, sound check. So can you hear me? I hope so. Let's see. So I want to also put some music in background today. I want to try some stuff. So if I share my screen, hi. So if I share my screen, sure. How are you? Entire screen, this one with audio. So let's try, because today I'm using Stream Yard instead of the usual Stream Labs, which is another software. So let's see. So this should be unmuted. Can you hear the music in background, and how is the sound level? This is the usual NCS music I use in my live streams. The good thing of Streamlabs, perfect. And how is it the audio of the music? Because I can't really say from my sound level is low. Okay, level of the music. It doesn't have to be super loud. So how is it now? Sound okay on my end. So I also I turned a fan on. How is is it noisy or not? Okay. I think we can start. So the audio should be fine. Okay, nice. I'm excited. So I haven't coded for a while, and I want to do something that might be interesting even for you. So what I will do in this list, it's a bit noisy. Let's see, because maybe I don't have the sound noise. So how now it should be better. Okay. Sorry, but because usually I use another software. Okay, I think we can start now. Okay. And I have some notes of what I want to do. And let's start from the basics. So from the issue. Done Twitter. Yes, I'm gonna check Twitter now. Okay. Now the audio should be fine, right? I removed all the music, everything. So let's see. I can't see your Twitter. You should always tag me, otherwise I can see it. Nice. Okay, so hi everyone. So finally, I want to code stuff. I want to make a new project, and I'm super excited. So what is this project about? So let me tell you what's my issue. I want to discuss with you for a while before we actually start coding. So I'll use, I think, Excalibur while we are talking, because I like the tool. So, do you know this tool, Excalibur? I got my Indian visa. Yes. Lower limit. Okay. You always have to give me feedback, because I prefer rather this to be a bit lower. So now it should be better. How is it? Okay. Let's go here. Let's remove it. Nice. So if the audio is solved, we can start. So I'll start with with Excalibur. I also have the name of this whole project, which is 50% of the project, you know. So here. So let's start with, so what's the start? Okay. So I want to start with the problem. So what's the problem that I want to solve? Because I wanted to code, but okay, you can't code random stuff unless you want to do something, I don't know, for a YouTube tutorial. I have a problem. like we all have. My problem is that a lot of my content is too fragmented. So, too fragmented content, not code. So my problem is that my content is everywhere. My code, of course, like the video, share the video, whatever you want. Now I'll focus on this. So I have YouTube series, articles, tweets, threads, Twitter Spaces, links, and also the reason why I want to do this is that I go to conferences. So when I go to conferences, I take a lot of pictures. There are videos of my talks. There are, I don't know, sometimes some vlogging stuff, or maybe I want to share some pictures with some specific people. So how can I save my life? So the issue is that I want to build something. I really wanted to build a project. And this project idea is to create a sort of website. Basically, it's a website that will use some technologies that I know, let's say, decently. I'll show you what. So if I go on docs.daily.dev, this is the documentation of Daily Dev. Let me just go in this way one moment because I want to show something. Okay, first of all, let's put this in dark mode. Okay, so here I am in the documentation of Daily Dev. Okay, and I'm inspired by this, of course. And you see here at the top, a little bit bigger, there is this search button. So, for example, here, if I look for, I don't know, reputation on Daily Dev. Reputation, what is reputation? I go here, and I get redirected to a specific page. So here on Daily Dev, I have the search functionality embedded. This is something called Algolia. This is something that I did also for another project, but here it works. And it's also, they get updated every week. Okay, so I want to do something similar, but instead of having a reputation, you will have, I don't know, my conference in Germany, or my, I don't know, some other topics, of course. Now I'm focused on the structure. Okay, so what do you think about this idea? Do you think that something like that might help you as a content creator? Because my final goal is also, there is still no link. You mean this? This is the documentation of Daily Dev. I am an advocate, I'm the developer advocate of Daily Dev. This is not my project. This is the project where I get inspired from, we can say. Okay. So the idea, so this is the problem, is that the content is too fragmented. So the solution will be to have a central place to organize the content. So the cool idea that I have, if I get the proper support, is that this will be open source and free to use for everyone. So I'm not doing this just for me, but Shreyas Kumar Daily Dev. Okay, so this does mean that I will have a GitHub repository, of course, with my links, like something like that. But you can get this project, fine-tune it a bit, and change it with your content. So this is a tool for content creators. So this is super cool, and it will be absolutely free for now. So I'm not creating a SaaS. I'm creating a project just, let's say, for fun, and because I want to solve one of my problems. Nice. Well, if one day this will become something big, I will make something with authentication, we'll make people authenticate, like link-free, for example, project. But I really want to start small, so we'll deploy this using Vercel, of course. And this is the basic idea. So I want to spend maybe 5 minutes to discuss this. So if you like the idea, how this can be done, if this can be improved in some ways. So this is the core idea. So having a place when you can organize the content and also make it open source. And This bonus open source project. Open source project. Okay. So this is basically a tool for content creators. The title of this project is Content Box. So I like this name. The name is Content Box. This also will be the name of the repository. And that's it. So super simple. I also have the goal for this live stream. Yes. I'm gonna check super fast if someone else shared the live stream on the Twitter. If you share it on Twitter, just tag Francesco Ciul with a 4 at the end, so I can reshare it. Mentions. I can't see. Okay, no problem. Nice. You die. So long. How are you? Okay, so that's the issue. So what do you think? Sounds good. I want to have some criticism here. Because, for example, someone said, like, why don't you use Notion? Why don't you use ClickUp? So go with the... Okay, great idea. Love it. Okay, everything will be available. 100% free. There is no paywall. The only thing that you can do is to support this YouTube channel. So this is the only thing I ask. So the more I'll have... From how long the stream is started? The stream started 10 minutes ago and I still didn't write a single line of code, so you are on time, Anand. I see some people here from LinkedIn. Okay? Nice. Foresee, super active. Yeah. And also we have a community of content creators, so maybe this tool can also be useful for them. And doing this 100% learning in public, building in public, sharing ideas. Let's see. So we have also the name. So the hardest part, it was to find the name. Once we have the name is Content Box. See if I get this right. This is more of like a sort of gallery of content resources. The thing is that we will have a search functionality, and the type of content might be a bit different than the content itself. For example, if I have a video of my first, presentation, I can create a page written in MD where I can share something like. So everything is basically centralized there. And the idea is also that this might be indexed by Google. So for example, if on Google I look for reputation daily dev docs, I find link. So this gets so because I don't have just YouTube, and my YouTube channel it's like very big. It has like 400. My YouTube channel has 400 videos, but I removed like 300 videos at the beginning of January. So this does mean that I made like 600 or 700 videos. That's too much. It's too much even for me. So I wanted to organize this in a better way. My concern is that this might get outdated. So I have to find a way to get these things outdated. So, great question. That will probably be one of the best decisions to use Node.js. For now, I just want to use docusaurus. Probably at the beginning, I think I'll just put the images on docusaurus. I might use something like Cloudinary, or I can just put the pictures like on GitHub and they get redirected. So something like that. So for now, it's just basically a front-end React project using docusaurus and an Algolia for indexing. Hey Graham, are you in the Twitter space? I still have to get used. You still have the old profile picture here. Nice. So that's the core idea. So let's go back here. So I'm creating a docusaurus project. It seems that I'm becoming a fan. Okay, let's soft reset it so everyone is aligned, and then we can start. So I want to solve the problem of having it's okay. So my content is too fragmented and I want to have a central place to organize the content. So the keyword here is to organize. Can I put this? No. I can. So nice. So let's go with the goal of the live stream. So what's the goal of this live stream? So I want, first of all, to create the docusaurus project, then create the repository. So create the docusaurus project, create the repository, publish the docusaurus project, and then work on the readme file, and then create issues. This will take a while. And here below, I also put some categories that I want to be there. So we have my podcast, which is actually currently 199 episodes. I know that I need to make one more. Then I have this very important one, which is Francesco as a guest. So every time someone invites me on a podcast or on somewhere, usually I put this on a GitHub repository on a link. So I want to create everyone who will ever invite me, they will get a backlink on this page. So this might also do something super cool. And then I want to have a section for the Vercel, a section for web development, one for special events, because sometimes I do something just special, conferences, so in-person events, blockchain, and DevOps. It's a lot. It's a lot because I do a lot of different types of content. So this is the type of thing. Okay, nice. So I think we can start. And let's start by creating the docusaurus project. So I don't know how many of you know what docusaurus is. So, and I'll try to just follow this tutorial. Okay. And we should be here. No, I don't know if the UI here is is screwed. I know many people here. Debbie, Kent, Zwix, Superbase. Get started. Okay, so let's go. So yeah, it's called Docusaurus because Docusaurus is a project intended for documentation created by Facebook, by Meta, and so it's always very well maintained. I also know the maintainer itself, so if I have an issue, I can also annoy him in the ends. Okay, so let's start. It's time to code. Oh, I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, so let's go on here on the workspace, and okay, so let's create a directory. mkdir. So the name of the project is Content Box. Content Box. I like this title. I don't know if I should put a dash here or not. Content Box. Okay. I don't know if I should create my website. I think we can rename it later. Let's do this like this. No. cd. Okay. Here. Clear. What do you mean by comment? A comment in the website itself. It's the same. No, I don't want. I want this just to index stuff. So I don't think it will have comment section in the website. But there is something cool because on the Docusaurus pages, at the end, you can actually edit this page. So this will be created automatically by Docusaurus. And if you see something that you don't like or you want to suggest, let's say that you invite me on a podcast and I create like podcast with XYZ, and I start typing something, and here there will be the link of the event. If you want to change something, I don't know, you want to add your bio, you see a typo, you can click here and you can edit this page. This is created automatically by Docusaurus. So it redirects you directly to GitHub. And this is one of the reasons why I like it. Another thing that I really like about Docusaurus is this, that it creates this structure. You can see it. One moment. Here, you can see this structure. So this is created automatically. And also I think the light and dark mode is added automatically. So let's go back here. Okay, so it should be done. Super slow. Okay. Nice. So this is the goal of the live stream. I don't want this will not be a 12-hour live stream. So I changed the approach. We will have a goal for every live stream. So create the docusaurus project, create the repository. So let's go here. Let's go on this. I think this can be renamed or whatever. So I think we can open this code here. Okay. Outline. One of the advantages of having your face on the right is that you can have the structure here, and here you have just the coding part. So let's go here, terminal. Why do we have PowerShell here and not Git bash? Okay, and let's try npm start. Let's see if the npm. This should start the docusaurus project. And as soon as we will have this up and running, so I'll just change this. No, I don't want even to change it. Let's keep it as it is. We already have the white, light theme. So what I want to do now is to create the repository and publish this using Vercel. First 2 steps, super important. Let's just get to production as soon as possible. So, do we have a GitHub? This is not a GitHub, Git repository, so we can do Git init. And we have this Git repository. Now, let's go. There are many ways to do this, but let's just use GitHub. We can click this new button. Should I put the dash or not? Let's not put it. Content box. I think I have a repository called the content box. No? So content box. Okay. So for now, let's add the README. No. Let's try like this. So we'll have this, and then I'll put the link of the GitHub repository. So let's create this. Okay, go here. I do this. It's done. No, right. I have to add git commit -m first commit. First commit with 3 M's. I love that Git does this. Okay, I'm a bit old style here. I like to do CLI commands, but it's okay. Nice. So we have this project up and running. Now, if I remember correctly, on Vercel, there should be an option for docusaurus. So here are all the projects. Let's add a new project using Vercel. Okay, they also have a framework preset with docusaurus. This is mind-blowing. Deploy. Let's see. Because if this does work, this does mean that we already have the project up and running on the internet. Probably at some point I want to redirect, maybe, I don't know, from site.francescosciulla.com or just francescosciulla.com. Another reason is that I want to put on this website, of course, some links to my social media, maybe a way to contact me, and so on. Let's see. Deployment 32 seconds. And then you can open issues, you can start discussions, you can share this repository. I'm gonna share, let's see who is the first one doing a star. Let's see who will make the first star. I didn't start it yet. Let's see. 1 star. Who made it? Bam. Is it you? Bam. Free anchor fall. Amazing. Amazing. So I'll put this. 1 star. 1 star is better than 0. Amazing. Nice. So the project is up and running. It exists on the internet. This is why I like Vercel so much. Okay, nice. So now that we have this project up and running, we can start testing it. So we have the GitHub repository. Let's see our goal. So create the project, create the repository, publish the docusaurus project. Done. So this is done. And then I should work on the README and create the issues. And this is everything that we will do today. Something super easy. Maybe before we work on the issues and the README, I want to at least change the name on the project, or we can use this as an issue. So maybe you want to be a contributor. So, okay, so I will not do this. So we can collaborate with this. Also, in less than 2 months, there will be Oktoberfest. So this will be a perfect moment also to really boost this project. So this is something that might happen. So I leave the project as it is. You can even open issues now. Of course, now the project is not really a project. But I mean, we did some stuff. But wait. 3 stars. That's too much. That's definitely too much. 4 stars. So this is the repository. You can go and start opening issues. I should create a template for the issues. So one of the issues might be like create the template, because I want this to be an open source project. So we should have guidelines, all the other stuff. So all the usual stuff. Okay. Nice. So the project is there. We can start working on it. But okay. So for me, so I can work on the README, but even the README can be an issue. I don't know. We should change this website with content box. We should add some pictures. We should maybe need a logo and other stuff. So that's the idea of this project, having this online since the beginning. And for example, here we have the project. So the project now, it's just a docusaurus project. It's deployed, Daddy. It's online. You are too slow. It's deployed already. When you make an open source project, Ed will jump on your last stream. That's a rule. It's already deployed. The good stuff is that I already have a dark mode. This is called my site. As you can see, like, check it out. This is the reasons why I like docusaurus so much. I did nothing, and I already have this structure. Like with this, create page, create document. There is this navbar. True. Wait, what happened? Okay, what happened? Entire screen. I don't know what happened. So, okay, Eddie, so you broke the share screen of StreamYard. I don't know how this could happen. Nice. So this never happened. I've been using StreamYard for 3 years. It's the first time that it breaks my... maybe I clicked here the stop sharing button. Wow. I don't know why I'm here. Nice, nice. Okay, nice. So we have the project. The project is up and running. Find the problem. Nice. So hide this. So the project is there. So the I want to check these things. Like I want to start adding something. I'm just like, okay, yes, Eddie. Let's make a recap for people who are not here, because this might be interesting even for you, I think. So, what's the problem? Yeah, I know, Eddie. I know. Give me a break. I just deployed literally 1 minute ago. So this might be an issue. So open as many issues as you want. So the problem is that I have so much content, but it's fragmented. I have the pictures of the conferences. Then maybe I have the video of the conference on my YouTube channel, but it's not linked. Maybe I made a thread about that conference and I want to save it. So I want to make the solution is to have this content box where I can have this central place to organize my content. In this case, centralization is great because it's about me, it's about Francesco. So we don't need decentralization, we don't need the blockchain here. We need this central place to organize my content. And the bonus is that it's open source, and also this will have a search functionality. That's very, very important. Now, maybe we can start checking some issues. Let's see if someone can open an issue. Let's see. Okay, nobody has been so fast to create an issue, but you can. So create as many issues as you want, and then I'll do the rest. Someone forked the project already. Who did it? Who is this? Oluwatobis. Amazing. Nice. I'm so happy. Finally we're here doing this stuff. So what do you think? What do you think about this project? I don't see, I can't see your star, Eddie. I didn't even start it here. Nice. So probably we should go on the settings. We should add maybe I can also look for some maintainers at some point. This can also be something. And then here, set up templates, set up sponsor button, set up discussions. But I want to do everything with issues. So this will be always with. Okay. Add this. Oh. Okay. Add the description to the project. Okay. So let's work on this workflow. So in this case, I'll just assign this back to myself. I just okay. I can copy paste some stuff. Let me see. Should I do this directly here? Read me. So let's. Okay, maybe we can do it here. Okay, so content box. The organized solution for how do you say disorganized for content creators? So this is the one line. Like if I ever want to sell this to someone, like why should I try this? This is the organized solution for content creators. So core idea. If you are very active, if you are inactive, because I think if you are not very active, you will not need this. What the fuck? What the hell is this? Okay. If you are a very inactive. an active content creator, probably you have many pieces of content. The problem, Vivek, the problem is that I like this definition. Them in different places, and it's hard to keep track of them. Content box is a solution to this problem. It's a place where you can store your content in system management. Okay. I don't know how GitHub Copilot does this, but it's scary. Okay, so maybe we can add tech stack. Hey, Pradumna. So tech stack, we have docusaurus, React, I think JavaScript for now, and what else? Algolia, I think for now this for the search functionality. What else? I think that's it. Okay, so this is the organized solution for content creators. If you're an active content creator, you probably have many pieces of content. The problem is that you have to manage name and you can add so search will be integrated, okay, with Algolia, yes. Okay, so this is the core idea. And what else? Okay. I think that this is already something. So if you want more, I can share more, but let's see if the Vercel thing does work. Anyone from Audition? Git status. Can I push to main? Git I'll do it on the main. At the beginning. Nobody. Will the project be suitable for beginners in program and content creation? It's not about experienced developer. You can be a beginner with 200 videos. It's more about the content creation part. I mean, if you have 3 videos, you don't need this. But if you do different things, like, I don't know, you go to conferences, then, I don't know, you have different projects. You especially think if you have multiple niches. I don't know, you have DevOps, you have open source, you have DevRel, you have web development like I have. You want to put this, you have a podcast series, you have like different things. Like for me, I do this because for me it's perfect, because I am a very active content creator, but I need, and I'm not very well organized, at least not as much as I would like to be. So I want to create this open source project to solve my problem, which is usually the things that makes a project successful. So, okay. So git commit -n updated. Okay, and then git push origin. I know I could click this button, but now this should be, I don't know if this will be deployed because it's like just a GitHub. Oh, nice. I see people here. Nice. Oh, 4 issues. We have stuff to do. Nice. I love this. Including audio-only podcast episodes. This is up to you. It depends what you have. This is a template. It's basically a template that you can use. I have video podcasts, so probably I'll add videos. If you want to add a series of audios, for example, Twitter Spaces, you can absolutely do it. It's a template for you. It's a content box that it's an open source project that you can use. Then if this is like becomes something super popular, I can create like link free, like a SaaS that makes you log in and then create something. But for now, I want to really start very, very small. You can basically add any link you want because everything will be indexed with the search functionality. Okay. So, pull request. Oh, I see people active here. Nice. We have the first contributor of the project. Once first of all, let me review it. Perfect. Absolutely mind-blowing PR. Nice. So do you like the idea, Rafael? It's basically a template that you can use. It's for all the messy content creators, especially for who has like different niches, or maybe, I don't know, you have a podcast with someone, maybe you want to put this also somewhere else. By the way, I'm paying attention your process. I'm thinking of making an open source project. Probably Eddie Jaude will jump on that live stream. You look great in this profile picture. I don't know if it's the same of Twitter. You're very recognizable here. Roadmap for what? Developers. Okay. Let's merge this. So, Oluwatobis, let's. Completely. Okay. So the only thing is that I think you changed. So you changed not the title, but the title in the README. So the title in the see, this will not change how this will look here. Okay. No. Oh my god. Okay, let's merge it. There are conflicts already. Yes, because I made the right. You're not scared of the conflicts, right? I'll take this because you made the change, so let's make this. Okay, let's comment. Update me. Okay. Merge. Bam. Bam. You are right. In this case, I solved the issue. I solved the conflict. Okay, nice. So now it's time. So I really like that the people here are engaging with this project. So this already makes the project great. Now let's go on the issues and let's decide what we want to do. So let's go. We'll probably create also a channel on the Discord server with this project. So if you want, you can join the Discord server now. I also have to put the links and all that stuff. Okay, add description. Add a simple one. Okay, I think we can close this one. So we should work a bit on the project itself. So let's go with this 10 minutes ago. Okay. Priyanka, please, let's do separate issues for each of them. So I'm gonna close this because otherwise it's a bit hard. Let's make the separate ones, like one for the docs, one for the new features, one of the style changes. So I'm gonna close this issue. Okay. Add branch protection rule. How can you do this? how to, I can't remember. How can you do this? I mean, I can. Code automation. Okay, branch protection settings, branches add rule. Let's see. Add rule. Okay, so we are already here on the settings. Branch name pattern. Require deployment. So how would you suggest to do this? Because I at the beginning I just want to make something super strict. Require send count, require linear list, require deployment. I want this. But do I need a name pattern? Why? If I put this star, I don't know, just require a deployment to succeed before merging. What do you think? Main. Add the main name. So main name in the name pattern. I don't know, I never did this. So this is to protect the main. Okay. So how does it look here?
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
With quotes.
If you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love.
No, I never did this. Okay. What's the goal here? Just this. Check require pull request. Yes, okay.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Just add only main.
Cry, but you never do. Sugar,
We should find an example. Maybe you can share an example of one in the issue. It's just a name. For now, let's focus on the basics. Otherwise, this becomes boring. Okay. So commits, files changed. Okay.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
Yes, okay. Okay, so I think we can merge this one. This is just to update the name. We can say it's okay, we're at the beginning. Yeah, let's keep this stuff for later. Now I want to add some meat on the project. Update docusaurus config.js. Change title. Ah, okay, but this is not Francesco's site. The title. Okay, here I'll add the title. Title should be. Okay. Yeah, let's suggest. There are lots of important options you need to allow, such I'll always suggest updating a pull request, allow squash merging. Important options you need to allow. Important options. You mean in the settings? Okay, we have this. Maybe what we can do is that also we can add a section with the videos, like the videos of the building the project. Core idea, tech stack. I think we can run it here. We can do these videos. So I can add the link of this live stream. Where is it? I lost it. Okay. Can you hear the music in background? Here. No, this should be closed. And let's go here. Okay, so this is the episode 1. Yes, to what? Okay, no, let's focus. Otherwise, we will not get out of here. So I want to focus a bit, maybe on the structure, on the adding the templates and all the other stuff. But let's see. So this, what is this? No, this is okay. So this is updated it. Yeah, you can hear the music. Yes, okay. Okay, so let's start creating the separate issues for the project. So issues, sponsorship, discussions, issues templates, create issues templates. This is the usual stuff. Okay, so let's create the issues template. This is more like on the project itself. Issues template, set up templates. So I think we can go with the default ones. So bug report. No. Yeah, the default one. I think it's perfect. Close preview and feature request. So bug report and feature request. Propose changes and create. Okay. Commit changes. So now, and maybe also we can add the license. Okay. Now we have the templates. You can see them, but yes, okay. Okay, nice. Let's go here. Create issue template. Done. No, you're welcome, Abhinav. No worries. I'll stay for a while. Nice. But we are already beyond the You see? In the meanwhile, so I'll give you some minutes. I want to show you something that I've been doing for a while. Guest. So I don't know if they have everything, but here on the Francesca's guest, I have all the people who invited me on podcasts or interviews or stuff. And it's not even complete. Pause the background music. Is it too loud? So this was June, for example. And okay. Okay. I can lower a bit the volume. There we go. Okay. Let's create the issues here. Let's see how many stars do we have. 9 stars. It could be 10. The good thing is that I can see the people who left a star and who doesn't. Hey, Giuliano. How's it going? Nice. Okay, finally we are back on this stuff. So creating issue template. So done, close. But do you like this idea or not? Okay, I want to create the issue, the infamous issue, Algolia integration. I hate this. Because it's a bit, it's not easy to make it, it's a bit clunky. Okay, a code of content, yes, perfect. Yes, let's start from this basic stuff, Priyanka, and then we'll go also on the branch protection. Let's go on the core, the meat, let's say, the sausages of the barbecue. So add Algolia integration. So I can suggest Algolia docusaurus. No, Algolia search contributing guide. Yes, exactly. Exactly. So this. And I think I'm the only one who can do this, but maybe you can if you want, you can add this part on the docusaurus config.js, but I should be in charge of making the request, of course. Okay. Did you make an issue, Priyanka? Because we are doing only the thing we are here on the squash merging. Yeah, etc. This is not an issue. Should be exactly one thing. Each issue should ask for one and only one. Okay, so it's too generic. Yeah. Because otherwise it becomes messy. Like this should be like add a button or add the code of conduct. Because if you say like etc, doesn't make sense in an issue. Because now we are on a live stream, you can text me in real time, but the live stream is a support, it's just to have fun. Okay? Okay. I should update this. Synchronize the change. Okay. Okay. Perfect. I'm a big fan of docusaurus and this project. But we can also end it by just checking the issues and then we are done. It doesn't have to be long. I would like to have some feedback. Omar, I think you've already been in some nice thing. I want some feedback on the project. So today is like, it's the first time. So I'd like, I don't know, roast the project or maybe, I don't know, something that it's useless. So I would like you to point all the problems, or maybe, I don't know, it's too hard to implement, too hard to maintain. Okay, so let's see. Problems, it might be hard to maintain. Other problems? What the problem can be to maintain and waste. Waste time on the project instead of creating content. Hey Omar, thank you so much for becoming member. Amazing, we made it. Nice. Content. What other issues might be? Useless. I just point out some issues that might be. We're gonna wrap up soon today. Don't want this to be super long. But if you like the project, problem having to manually update things means that things are likely to get forgotten. A quick browser extension could alleviate this, perhaps. One click add to a section. But then you have to create a browser extension for this. What do you mean by browser extension? Let's say the main issue here is that, for example, I go to conferences and everything I do at conference, it's so fragmented. I have some shorts, then I have the recording of the, I don't know. For example, if I go on YouTube now, here on my YouTube channel, I have, let's see here. Let's go. Introduction. Studio. Okay. It's like using, let's use Kubernetes to deploy. So this, so for example, I have this. This is a clear example of this issue. Like, this is my first presentation online. Let's stop the music for a while. So this is me at my very first presentation. Working consistently on the okay. So now I have this presentation on my YouTube channel, but it's a bit hidden because I have 380 videos. So I want this to be highlighted somewhere here in the documentation, somewhere like conferences. And then I have the first conference, and then I put this, I put a couple of pictures, and then I put this one, which is the link to the presentation. Another one, we are developers. Introvert. You see, even I can't remember. Like, this is the first presentation at the We Are Developers conference. It's super cool. Check it out. This is also edited with the people. This is incredible. I don't do mentorship. Giuliano, would you mind connected with me? No, Abhinav is asking to Giuliano. Okay, so I'll let Giuliano reply. So the idea to do this would be database driven and with tags. So the video could have the conference tag, video tag. This is a next level thing. I don't know if you can do this in docusaurus, to be honest, but I like the core idea of tags. So the idea of having like click like conferences and you have everything related to conferences, or I don't know, motivational stuff or maybe technical stuff, because for example, this is not technical at all. But for example, you see this video has not as many views as I think it should have, because like this, like I did this in front of almost 500 people, 400 people, and we have 700 views. So almost more people view this in person, because the main issue is that I created too many pieces of content. This is the main issue. I do too many things. So I wanted to organize what I do. And I think this is the perfect place, because then I can have the section of the conferences, the section of the blockchain, the section of the 199 podcasts. So that's the idea. But I like the idea of tags. I want to add here the... I don't know if we should start discussion. Let me enable the discussion. Add feature, add discussions. I know that this doesn't make much sense because I create the issue and then I just close it, but it's just to yeah. Gonna start with discussions. But I like, but thank you so much for this. Okay, discussion. So if you have a suggestion, you can also leave it here. So add tags, for example, might be cool to organize. This is more like a Notion thing. For example, on Notion, you have this sort of thing. I don't know if docusaurus you can use tags. Use tags with docusaurus. I don't know if ChatGPT knows these tags. Adoption. No, this is the tags of docusaurus itself. Google Tag Manager. Let's see. Custom tag page in docusaurus is something like this. Let's see. Since one will probably be adding or pushing resources content from elsewhere to this repo, it will be good to have a one-click solution to make that push happen. This is already on docusaurus, because if you go on a page, I think even that one, what is the page? On docusaurus, you have this content box. Content box Vercel app. I think if you go here on tutorial, you should have this edit page. Probably this is broken now because it redirects to the docusaurus page, of course. But like there is this edit page that redirects to the page itself, and you can edit it. So this is already embedded. I think we should. I can also create an issue on this. So this is done. So close with comment. Let's add another issue. Feature request. Add edit links configuration. So if I go on freeweb3resources.com, for example, here, this is another project. And if I click on resources, you see here, okay, there is something here. And at the end, there is this edit page. And you're going to go here and edit it. So this is very, very cool. In this case, I will have more sections here. I think I'll have 6 or even 7, I think. 3, 8. It's a lot. For example, I want, here I have also the, okay, maybe I missed some point here. No problem, Giuliano. But the tool is meant to be hosted on the creator's website to allow followers to find all his/her content in one place, or meant to be kept private to keep track of everything but privately. This is more like a tool for me. Like I use this, so this will be hosted on the creator website, and then you can edit out some parts that I add. So basically, you can fork the project and work on this. So it's not meant as a SaaS, but as a side project for me to centralize my content. So it's something similar to what I did here with the free Web3 resources, like that you have this, for example, and here, okay, and here you can, you can basically do this stuff and check all of this. Okay. Links configuration. Okay. Like here. Like we did here. Okay. Submit your issue. I think we can put the music again. Yes. Okay. Added an issue template. Deleted 2 different issue templates. Why did you delete the issue templates? So this is something that you did from another project. Yeah, I mean, but why did you delete the old ones? Like leave the old ones. Bug report. Issue bug report. Docs. So where did you get this template from? Because this looks cool, but I just want to ask like if this is a sort of standard or not. Did you like the video? Otherwise, I'm not gonna live anymore. I'm just gonna do this privately. 23 likes. It might be better, but better than nothing. Refresh. And very too different. Here. Bug report. Okay, I like it. What happened? The screenshot I've checked. Okay, let's use this one. I just wanted to ask where did you get that, but I mean, I like it. Let me take it. Okay. I like it. Merged. Done. GitHub docs. Thank you. Issues. Refresh what? Here. So just updating pull request on the assurance. But why on the issue? Go to the repo setting and it would find all the options. Allow. You can allow setting pool. So I never did this, but I'm gonna check this. Where is? Pull request. Repo setting and you will find all the options. Options of what? Allow merge. But I think it should already be like this by default, right? Yeah, let's. For now, it's okay. I'll just check it out later. Algolia integration, contribution guide. Maybe we can just do this, and then I can close this. Contribution guide. It's already here. Require contribution to sign off. So just updating. Allow. Code security, code spaces, environment, pages, webhooks, actions, rules, tags. Okay. No. Let's go here in the general part. Default branch main. Okay. Social preview. I can set up a sponsor button. No, I think this will take a while. And yes, so I think that for now it's okay. It's okay what we did. So we still have remove space. Forgot to remove space. To remove a space. Okay. Let me merge this one too. Nice. So this was the real first step. So it's okay. Refresh what? It's refreshed. And okay. So I think the core idea is done. Let's go back here. So this is a project that probably will take a while. I will dedicate some time, probably every week. I'll add some sections, but I want to slowly start working on it. I don't know if I'll work 100% in public, but because it depends how much time I want to dedicate. But at least we started this project. So if you want to share something before we wrap up, you can do it now. Otherwise, we are set. Nice. Did we get some starts or not? I hope so. Pavan, you're late. 10 starts. Honest work. We should have way more, but 10 stars, it's a good. If you want to support this project, you can leave a star here, of course. Come on. If you are from the, especially from, I didn't start it yet. Okay, 11. Nice. So if you like this project, you can support it, you can add issues. The project is basically empty now, and if you learn something from the live stream or something that you want to do, just let me know. We have already 4 contributors, which is nice. Cool. Nice. I'll add the link. Let's see here. Okay. Maybe I can add. So we have delete. I think we can remove this. Okay. I did this. I did this, but just calm down, Priyanka. No worries. The code is not going anywhere. I just want to make the tweet. Yes, code format issue. Okay. First, content box version 0.0.1 is out. 11 starts for contributors. Facciamo. Nice. So 11 start, 4 contributors. And how many? Let's see some of the stats. What else? No worries. It's very simple. It was a very simple one, but still, like 5 issues open, 6 closed, 6 issues closed. Check one time. Yeah, we are done with the code. Just relax. We will do this next time. Okay, and then pull request for PR closed. We don't have to rush. There is no need to rush. So we have also the box. So we have also the emoji. You know that if you want a project, you need the emoji, like threads. So we have the emoji, which is the box. Content box version as well is out. Core idea. I want to re-put the core idea here. And I need to put the GitHub link in the video description. The core idea. Where is the core idea? I can't find. Okay. 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 Included in-person events and audio and podcasts. Okay. Okay, nice. So we are done for today. Thank you so much for joining, and yes, so I'll keep working on this. Probably not next week. I'm in India, so probably in 2 weeks we'll probably do a second episode. But let's keep this project fresh. And thank you so much for the feedback, of course. And yes. I need to. Just last thing that I want to do is to put the GitHub link in here. GitHub link in the video description. in the description, link below. Okay. Perfect. We're done. Thank you so much for joining. It has been a while for me not touching a project. And yes, I'll check the discussion and everything else. I don't know if StreamYard it's a good fit, but it's super simple to use. So, yes, thank you. If you want to say bye, say it now. Let's make some noise at the end of the live stream. Of course, you can share the project. You can share the live stream. You can follow me on social media if you want, because I really want to create a good and free tool for content creators to organize their content. This is basically to solve my issue. Yeah, and again, Priyanka, I'm not going anywhere. I mean, I'm going to India, but we don't have to rush. So I understand the excitement, but you can check some issues. You can make some posts telling people to come on this. You can also join the Discord community. So probably on Discord community we'll have a channel dedicated to this. We'll archive probably some old channels, and we will keep working on this. Tomorrow we have also a Q&A about content creation. And yes, let's keep going. Having some starts, it will be nice for the ego. But yes, thank you so much for joining. Super excited, and it was super cool. So bye everyone.